So here's the new ticket booths. We're gonna go see the new area first, and then see if there's any construction on the midway. All right, so there's the Dodgems where this is actually where most of the rides are stored, like ride vehicles and everything. They are stored in this building. So that's actually a pretty good thing. Alright. It's awfully quiet here. We're the only ones in the park. No lines. Alright, so here's the new ticket booths. I'm going to try to do a new and improved... Wait, there's the construction area.
Go ahead, I'll walk over there. Go get it.
But, aren't you going to come and look?
No, I'm going to make sure nobody's going to close the thing.
Alright, I'm going to be careful. Alright, this is like a first right now in like years. So we're going to be, this is Waldameer walking around. This is the Scrambler without its cars. And the Music Express. Here we are, we have the Comet 1951 PTC. I'm not sure if there's any improvements for 2016. Not that I heard of right now. Comet, I'm not sure what other things we have for 2016. So we're going to go across the train tracks. This is rare and exclusive. Can't believe I'm doing this. Alright, so we're over here at the area. Right here, right now, this is actually the footsteps of the new construction area for Waterworld's Children's Spray Zone and Slides. Obviously, this is the new attraction for 2016. Alright, we're going to get some close-up footage. Here we are, we have some like footers or something in place. Yeah, we have some nerd shots today. We have some pretty good shots of the construction ditches of where we actually are. So we have some new stuff. We got some footers here. I think this is for like sprays, like spray jets or whatever. That's the comment. We're gonna move up more where the construction area is. And this is a more up close and personal view of the stuff. So right now what we're currently following the orange gate. This is where the construction is still going on. And this is where the end of the, I think this is where all of them, where my hand is showing. I think this is where all the construction is going on for the new area. So as you can see, we have some, like all these are the pegs where the areas are going to go, like water slides, I think. I think this is right here. I think this is going to be the walkway. And this is going to be like the slide area, and this is the pool, where they're going to start the pool area. Obviously, it looks like a trench dug as tall as me. But, oh, we forgot one more thing about it. Actually, the ramp that was trying to be constructed during my wave pool area tour in 2015, the ramp has been complete and ready for 2016. So when I show the new area in my 2016 video, we are going to be seeing that come up. And right now we have some, oh, look, alright, we have to stop for a minute. There is an airplane at our area. So right now we do have some piping in the area. We have some piping. more piping for water, and we have some new stuff. I'm gonna see if I can get any closer of being caught. Yeah, this is a first in a lifetime, guys. So big deal here. So all of this right here is actually going to be this huge wall. This is all going to be a huge wall coming through here. So, guys, get excited because this is a... Oh, jeez. Slush. So over there is some more wood. And... Ooh, trying to get as close as possible. Right here, that's what it's in front of me, is the big pile of dirt that has been dug up. This is the pile of dirt that we have, that they dug up from here, and they have. So here is the pile of dirt. What? Alright, I think we're gonna have to go. But that's the stuff here. So here's the path. So here's the new area. We're doing a little tour. People have to ruin the fun. So here's the comet. And this is where the new area is. Alright, I'm walking backwards carefully to the train tracks. Someone's gonna fix that bell though. Yeah, you can still see the area. I'm still walking. What's the rush?
I've seen that golf cart coming back.
Why?
Get all the ice in there?
You're seeing the golf cart come back.
Yeah.
Why? They're coming back?
I don't want to walk the gates.
Well, we're walking around.
I know.
I wanted to explore. Well, there's an entrance right there. That's always open.
How do you know?
I know that because I don't think there's no gate.
Let's go look.
I'm sure because we can actually, that's actually,
I bet you it's Mr. Nelson. His dog.
can we go see him?
Yeah, let's go see.
But I want to still explore. But,
If he says no, we can't.
oh. So, but this is for the fans. Wait. It's not Mr. Nelson. No.
See, there's another way in here.
Yes.
Where?
It's right by Thunder River. Wait. I'm not sure.
Let's take a walk over there.
For a second there, I thought it was him.
Yeah, so did I.
Because I think I know for the fans there's a new, not new, but it's always been like an entrance.
Picture the dog.
Hey, Doug.
How you doing?
So, nice dog. I don't think there's a gate here, Grandpa. And I think I'm onto a plan here, kids. You always know this entrance here by Thunder River that's always never used? Well, there's also an entrance here.
Watch your head.
Oh! Yeah, this is the back half that some people use, but it's hardly ever used. So right here, this is Thunder River without the river. Obviously, this is Icy River. Because, get it, Jenny? This is a Waldameer joke here because it's frozen water. So, right here you have an up-close personal view of the water. Right here is Steel Dragon, the spinning coaster of the park. It should receive a new paint job. Not new paint job, it should just see a repaint. Because the thing looks paint. Oh, when we get to the Pirates Code, there's some explaining to do. A little bit. So here's, what the heck is wrong with Thunder River's first hill?
Oh, looks like they took it.
It looks weird.
Building it, Jay.
No.
Taking video?
Yeah, it's still taking video. I'm 19 minutes in.
There's a.
X-Screen Drop Tower. One of my favorite rides in the park. Actually, number 2. I really like that. Alright. Here are some of one of the new things of 2016, and I'll explain it because that's the X-Screen. It actually looks weird. Yeah, look. Look at Tilt-A-Whirl for a minute. Alright, kids. Does this look like a Tilt-A-Whirl or not? Answer it in the comments.
No.
Waynut says no.
There's no cars.
Alright. Alright, look at the pirate. Notice anything different with the pirate?
No, why?
The pirate received a new paint job for 2016.
Oh, cool.
So if you look closely,
Did they paint it already, huh?
yeah, they repainted the pirate. Captain Hook, it's actually called.
Cool.
That's his actual name. If you guys didn't know that, that's a Waldameer trivia fact for you. So the pirate was repainted for 2016. So I also wanted to show that. So, right now, what are we under? What's wrong?
No, just look at the pirate.
Yeah, he's just admiring the pirate. Alright, so right now we're under Showtime Theater. Oh yeah, there's some new stuff by the Wipeout, too, we have to look at. Alright, so here's the Wacky Shack. I actually like that glow letter of the Wacky Shack.
Looks like that's been repainted, Jay.
I don't know if that glow thing has been in or not, but, kind of actually looks weird without all those creaky noises and everything. It's always running like crazy. Oh, yeah, there's cars there. Probably don't go near there. Yeah, probably Paul Nelson and all the others. So here's the spider without its tubs. Kind of looks like Harbor Creek colors. Go Huskies. Alright, now look at Wipeout now. Do you see anything different? Look at the rims. Look at the rims. Yeah, the rims. They're recolored. They're recolored for 2016. So now they used to be white, but now they're actually pink. This is actually a new video. So right nowadays, the Wipeout's going to look much more unrecognizable because the paint job. Because it looks paint. So now we have a pink Wipeout. Pink and white or whatever. And we have the Ravine Flyer, too. I don't know how much we can get into Kittyland, but Kittyland looks like a disaster.
We don't want to go over there.
But I think before we do get out. Oh, it's so slushy.
Let's go this way, Jay.
Look at the pony carts.
Cars here and stuff.
Yeah, don't want to bother. Alright, so the pony carts don't look like nothing. Wet boats looks like nothing. Froggy Yacht looks like nothing at all.
We got everything taken out. Ferris wheel got the covers on.
Yeah, last time, actually fun fact, the last time we did this, the Ferris wheel was in Kansas for shipping, which was back in the 2013. And also the Ravine Flyer 3 has been repainted for 2016. Hold on. The Ravine Flyer 3 has been repainted for 2016, so we have some updates on that too. We're probably not going to get able to get in the North End area though. Alright. I want to just exit here. We'll exit here.
Which way?
For this entrance. And then we'll go check the other stuff. The Tom Rich Center, and then we'll call it a video.
They
Alright.
painted the Wacky Shack, Jay. That's all brand new.
No. You're looking at it the wrong
Are
way.
you serious?
Yeah, they had that cool letter and like the glow and stuff for a while now.
Oh, how they? Really, it's nice, don't it?
Yes, it does look nice.
I didn't
However,
realize that vulture's up there on top.
it's been there. The Vultures. It actually reminds me of the band Them Crook Vultures, Dead End Friends. So, a little quote for you, those who like that hard rock. Alibaba over there looks like a box. It's a box.
So this is what an amusement park looks like.
So this is a look.
winter.
We didn't go to the other parts of the amusement park because we were afraid of getting caught and whatever. But that's, I think, most of the park we got covered today. But we're pretty happy because we haven't done this since like the 2013 or whatever.
It's fun to get in here.
Because the past times, because we were during the train show, these gates were locked, and we couldn't get in. I was dreaming of doing a video for so long, but now this recorded day in history, January 15, 2016, Revival coming in, and I will be doing a. Oh, you're looking at the X-Scream. The X-Scream. Get yours today at the X-Scream.
Snack Shack.
Get your X-Scream gear at the X-Scream Snack Shack. Get your food and pop and win for new prizes based on your favorite armors and drop tower. And then here's a last look of Steel Dragon. So I think that covers the park a little bit. Our last stop before we call this a video will actually be the Tom Rich Center, in which we get our aerial views for today.
Let's hope they're open.
Oh, they're always open. Come on. No, never doubt yourself.
Water in the Lazy River.
It's called Thunder River.
No
The-
water in Thunder River.
The lazy river's at Waterworld. You got a little bit mixed up, but I'll give you credit. So there's the tunnel without any mist or
Ricky Ball cars.
uh.
Oh, stuff.
Some of them in the groves. Most of them is in the Dodgem building over there, where we first got our videos. No, where we first had our video. The games building. The games building. That's where some of them are. So most of them are in the Dodgems area, and there's some in like the game area. So I think that was a pretty successful run.